Hello students, welcome again in our class of English grammar for 12th. Students, in previous classes we discussed about active to passive voice in simple sentences, and with rule and with examples we cleared it, and I hope you would also understand them. And in today's class we are going to start our next point in voice, passive of interrogative sentences, and with rules and examples we also will clear it, and I hope you will also listen and watch carefully. So let's start. Our first point is, if the question starts with who, then our structure will be by whom plus helping verb plus subject and third form of verb. Means, if in active voice who is used, then we change who into by whom. So let's see example. Who teaches you English? Who teaches you English? Here are two objects. So we take first object you. Firstly, by whom are you taught English? And next method is, by whom is English taught to you? Both method are right. You can use either of it. By whom are you taught English, and by whom is English taught to you? Now our next point is, if the sentence starts with WH words other than who, such as why, where, how, when, what, which. If these words are used in sentence, then these words are retained in the beginning, and same process will continue. Example, where did you see the snake? Then in voice, passive voice, where was did change into was. Where was the snake seen by you? Next is, when will you write the letter? When will the letter be written by you? Here will, and with will we use be also. When will the letter be written by you? Next point is, if the sentence begins with do, does, did helping verbs, then the form will be is MR for do, does, and was were for did plus subject and third form of verb. Example, do you take tea? Then in passive voice we use is tea taken by you. In place of do we use is with tea. So our sentence is tea taken by you? And next is, did the teacher teach you? So in passive voice, were you taught by the teacher? And our next point, if the sentence starts with continuous, means is MR of was were first form plus ing, then our structure will be in passive voice is MR remaining same, was were also, plus subject and being plus third form. With example we clear it. Is she cooking food? Is she cooking food? Then in passive voice, is food being cooked by you? Is food being cooked by you? Were they playing cricket? Then in passive voice, was cricket being played by them? Was cricket being played by them? Now our next point is, if the question begins with has, have, had plus third form, then our structure will be in passive voice. Has, have, had remain same plus subject plus been. After subject we use been plus third form. Let's see example. Have you done your work? In passive voice we use has your work been done by you. Has, have changed into has because here your work is singular. Has your work been done by you? And next is had you beaten your brother? Had your brother been beaten by you? Now some other examples also in interrogative sentences so that we will clear it. Now first is, can you lift this box? Can you lift this box? Then in passive voice, can this box be lifted by you? Can remain same. This box is our object. With modal we use be and lifted third form by you. May I take your pen? May your pen be taken by me? By me. May your pen be taken by me? Where did you leave the car? Where did change into was. The car left by you. Where was the car left by you? And next is, who will win the elections? Who change into by whom? Will the elections be won? By whom will the elections be won? Next is, are you expecting him today? Are you expecting him today? Is he change into he, him change into he. Is he being expected today by you? Is he being expected today by you? I hope you got it clearly. Thank you.